Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off chats on the Bingo Blitz game. So let's get started right away. If you're playing the Bingo Blitz game with other users online, then you will be able to access the chat menu while you are playing the game. Now, while you are playing the game, if you wish to turn off chats, look underneath the users and you will find the chat option. From the chat option, you can click on the gear icon at the top right corner and this will show you the chat as well as the emoji option. If you tap on chat, this will now immediately disable the chat option. You can close this now and chats will be disabled for your game. You can turn it back on by clicking on the same button and then you can click on the gear icon once again to enable chat by tapping on the chat option. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off chats on the Bingo Blitz game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.